In previous class, we explained eyes movements. Now, today we will start with the neck movements. It's a Griva Bheda. Griva Bheda is a classification of the movements of the neck. Neck movements are an integral part of most Indian classical dance forms. If performed in a smooth and delicate manners, it increases the quality of both Nrita and Abhinay. Neck movements plays a very important role in communicating an idea in Abhinay pieces or as an ornament in Nrita. Now we will start with the shloka. Sundari tirishchina tadaiv parivartita prakampita cha bhavagya geya griva chaturvida. The same shlok with the movements. Sundari Tirishchina Tadaiv Parivartita Prakampita Jai Bhavagya Geya Griva Chaturvida. These are the 4 types of neck movements maintained in Abhinay Darpan. Now we explain one by one. The first one is Sundari, like this, right to left. It's very difficult, but we will start with the exercise like this. We have up your hands and then touch to this side and then touch to this side. Like this. So it's a Sundari. Here the neck is moved from side to side. The usages are the beginning of affection, making trial, saying well pleasure, etc. Next one is Tirishchina. Tirishchina, like this. This griva is used to be seen while brandishing a sword. Next one is Parivartita. Neck moving to right and left like a half moon or a semicircle, like this. It's a half moon. It's a semicircle. It's used in erotic dance and kissing the cheeks. So next one is Prakampita. Prakampita, moving the head backward and forward like a pigeon. The bird pigeon look like front and back and create a sound also. So it's a Prakampita. The leg will go front and back, front and back, front and back. So it's a Prakampita. This griva is used to denote the same you and I, you and I, especially in folk dances or a swing. It's Prakampita. So these are the 4 neck movements. Now just recap. Sundari, Tiriscina, परिवर्तिता, प्रकृतिता. In next class, we will do some more activities. Namaskar. Thank you. Dhanyavad.